Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between B2B and B2C. B2B is an acronym for business to business. As the name signifies, it is a type of commercial transaction where the purchasing and selling of merchandise are performed between two business houses, such as entity supplying material to another for production, or entity providing services to another. Business to consumer is another model which is abbreviated as B2C, where the business sells its goods and services to the final consumer. Those companies whose products and services are consumed directly by the end user are known as B2C companies. So, let's look into the basic differences between B2B and B2C in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The selling of goods and services between two business entities is known as business to business or B2B, whereas the transaction in which business sells the goods and services to the consumer is called business to consumer or B2C. Number 2. In B2B, the customer is business entities, whereas in B2C, the customer is a consumer. Number 3. B2B focus on the relationship with the business entities, but B2C's primary focus is on the product. Number 4. The volume of merchandise sold in B2B is large, conversely, in B2C small quantities of merchandise are sold. Number 5. In B2B, the relationship of supplier is with manufacturer, the relationship of manufacturer is with wholesaler, and the relationship of wholesaler is with retailer. Conversely, in B2C, there is a direct relationship of retailer with consumer. Number 6. In B2B, the business relationships last for long periods, whereas, in B2C, the relationship between buyer and seller lasts for a short duration. Number 7. In B2B, the buying and selling cycle is very lengthy as compared to B2C. Number 8. In B2B, the decision-making is fully planned and logical, whereas, in B2C the decision-making is emotional. And, difference number 9. In B2B, brand value is created on the basis of trust and personal relationship of business entities, whereas, in B2C, advertising and promotion create brand value.